Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on Netflix. First of all, just go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and double check if your Netflix app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it and apply the update so you can have all the new features. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. And as you can see right here, my connection went down, but that's okay. I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. Go ahead to your browser, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here to open up the Netflix app. In the lower right, tap My Netflix, and then in the upper right, tab the menu, and then tap Manage Profiles, and then select the profile that you want to edit, and then toggle and switch to autoplay previews to turn the settings on or off. In the upper right, tap Done. So if you want a quick demonstration on how it's done, you're going to be able right here to click on the photo right here or images, and you're going to be able to see in your edit profile, you're going to be able to see the autoplay controls, autoplay next episode in a series on all devices, or autoplay previews while browsing on all devices. So you have two options to actually apply them. If you want to toggle them on or off, you have the right to do that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.